morning all. A little windy here today, but we're coming in spring, and Noor Gardens is in a transitional time. We've moved, and so I've basically dug up every rose that I have except for about 5 from Noor, and I've relocated because I'm looking to find some more land closer to my family and closer to the desert, because that's where my heart is. But anyway, you can see plants everywhere, date palms everywhere. That's how much I love gardening. That's how much I love my plants. I'll take them with me. But they're all doing good. So I just wanted to give you an update on rose cuttings. So these are going really well. Putting them in a bucket a few months ago, and summertime is definitely going to be the experimental time, because I have no idea how well they're going to cope, do we, honey? That's right. But let me show you. So these are cuttings that I took months and months ago, and if you can remember the video of me taking the cuttings, putting them in the sawdust, these are the results. You know, they're looking really good, really healthy. And they are, for the most part, out in direct sun. But the thing is, I've got this shade cloth here. They don't get the, full duration of the sun every day. They just get a little bit, maybe 4 or 5 hours, because the weather is warming. So today I think it's going to be about 27 Celsius. But they have been in full sun in winter sun. So I've put them out in winter sun, and like 13, 14, 15 Celsius. And this is the result. Summertime is going to be a challenge. I'm not actually sure. It's going to be experimental. So I assume if we have anything over 30 to 35 to 40, these are going under shade cloth. But that means I'll be going to get my big shade cloth from Noor Gardens and bringing it over here to these stables. I'm in horse stables right now. So they're going good, but it's, sister here next door, we had a couple of hard nights of frost, and this is a protea, and she's not doing too well at all. But then, her neighbors that she sat next to here are doing actually fine, and she's obviously not taken well to the frost. I hope she comes back. It doesn't look like it, but all I'll do is just keep watering it every day. And it's funny because her sister over here is not doing too well either. So I'm not actually sure what's happening here. Yeah. So actually, sorry, here's some more rose cuttings. Here, some that I almost gave up on, that were looking really sad in the winter, and I thought, not actually sure if they're going to make it, but they're doing okay. And these were looking really sad as well. But just shows you how resilient life is, nature is. Give it a chance. Hello, dear my darling. And yes, over here, excuse me, I've moved them. I wanted to give you a little update also on my roses grown from seed. Look at them. They are stunning. Tiny, tiny little rose seeds. Now they're turning to plants. This has been so much careful nurturing. And just a little bit of water every day, good drainage. This was my mistake last year. Not enough drainage, too much water, and they basically died. So this poor Cruciana eucalyptus got smashed by the frost as well. One of my favorite eucalyptus, so I'm really hoping she makes it. And this is a native sandalwood here next door from seed. So yeah, look at them, aren't they beautiful? Oh, I love seeing them. I've got a couple more under shade here. That's another Cruciana, she's doing better. But... All right.